there are kitchens, and then there are statements. Welcome to a space where architecture becomes emotion, where scale, symmetry, and light converge in breathtaking harmony. This is not simply an open kitchen. This is a grand pavilion of design, a masterpiece carved in marble and glass. 30-foot ceilings rise above like a cathedral of modern luxury. Sunlight pours through towering glass walls, dissolving the boundary between interior and horizon. The ocean stretches endlessly beyond, yet somehow this room still commands the view. At the heart of it all, a monolithic island, 20 feet of sculpted stone, waterfall edges cascading to the floor, veins of marble flowing like natural artwork. It is both sculpture and function, power and precision, presence and restraint. Look up. A chandelier descends like a constellation suspended in midair, refracting golden light across polished floors. Every reflection, every surface, every line has intention. This kitchen does not hide its scale, it celebrates it. Twin prep stations mirror each other in perfect symmetry, a quiet nod to balance and mastery. Seamless cabinetry stretches across entire walls, uninterrupted, flawless, refined. Hidden technology disappears into clean architectural planes. And then the glass walls retract. In one effortless movement, the room expands. The infinity pool becomes part of the composition. The sky becomes a ceiling extension. Nature is no longer outside, it is invited in. This is more than design. This is spatial dominance. A place where culinary ritual meets architectural theater, where mornings begin in golden light and evenings glow beneath sculptural illumination. Here, scale becomes art. Luxury is not measured in square footage alone. It is measured in silence, in proportion, in the way a space makes you feel the moment you enter it. From the mezzanine above, the perspective shifts. The entire open-plan wing unfolds beneath you, living, dining, and kitchen flowing together in seamless continuity. No walls, no interruption, only movement and air. The island glows softly as evening approaches. Underlit onyx casts a warm radiance across the marble floor. Integrated lighting traces the ceiling grid with subtle precision. The transformation from day to night is not abrupt, it is cinematic. This is the Billionaire standard, a kitchen designed not just for cooking, but for hosting, for commanding, for gathering. Imagine a private chef preparing dinner as the sunset ignites the horizon beyond the glass facade. Guests drift effortlessly from lounge to island to terrace. Conversations echo gently beneath soaring ceilings. Even the smallest details carry weight. Brushed brass fixtures catch the light. Stone surfaces reveal intricate veining. Reflections shimmer across polished floors like liquid gold. And yet, despite its grandeur, there is calm. The vastness does not overwhelm, it elevates. Every line is intentional, every material curated, every angle designed to impress, not loudly, but confidently. As the drone pulls back and the mansion rises against the fading sky, the kitchen remains glowing at its core, the architectural heartbeat of the estate. Because in homes like this, the kitchen is not an afterthought, it is the throne room. This is not simply luxury, this is legacy. This is power shaped in stone and glass. And this is what extreme scale truly looks like.